Guys, and warm welcome to this new tutorial of the series Data Mining Concepts and Techniques. And today you are watching web usage mining, which is the very important technique of web mining. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for latest updates. Web usage mining. What is web usage mining? Web usage mining is the application of data mining techniques to discover interesting usage patterns from web data in order to understand and better serve the needs of web-based applications. Usage data captures the identity or origin of web servers along with their browsing behavior at the website. Web usage mining itself can be classified further depending on the kinds of usage data considered. The web server data, that is the user logs, are collected by the web server. Typical data includes IP address, page reference, and access time. Second, the application server data, that is commercial application servers have significant features to enable e-commerce applications to be built on the top of them with little efforts. A key feature is the ability to track various kinds of business events and log them in application server logs. Third, the application level data. New kinds of events can be defined in an application and logging can be turned on for those. Okay, thus generating histories of these specially defined events, and many end applications required combination of one or more of the techniques applied in the categories above. Studies related to work are concerned with two areas: constraint-based data mining algorithms applied in web usage mining and developed software tools, that is systems. In simple words, web usage mining can be defined as the automatic discovery of patterns in click streams and associated data collected or generated as a result of user interactions with one or more websites. The goal of web usage mining is analyze the behavioral patterns and profiles of users interacting with website. The goal or the discovered patterns are usually represented as the collection of pages, objects, or resources that are frequently accessed by groups of users with common interests. As I have told, the data in web usage mining has the three types: web server logs, site contents, and data about the visitors gathered from external channels. So this is the summary of web usage mining. Next is three phases in web usage mining are pre-processing, pattern discovery, and pattern analysis. These are the three phases covered in web usage mining. The pre-processing is done with the raw server logs. Okay, it is passed to the pre-processed data. After pre-processing, then the pattern discovery is done and it forms the rules and patterns, and these rules and patterns are analyzed further for the gaining the interesting knowledge, that is called as the pattern analysis. So these are the three phases: pre-processing, pattern discovery, and pattern analysis in web usage mining. So we will see one by one. The pre-processing or the data preparation, it includes three concepts: data cleaning, user identification, and transaction identification, where data cleaning is by checking the suffix of URL name. For example, all log entries with file name suffixes such as /gif, jpeg, or etc. User identification includes if a page is requested that is not directly linked to the previous pages, multiple users are assumed to exist on the same machine. And the other heuristics involve using combination of IP address, machine name, browser agent, and temporal information to identify users. So this is all about the user identification. Then the transaction identification includes all of the page references made by the user during single visit to a site, and the size of transaction can range from single page reference to all of the page references. So this is the data preparation or data pre-processing, we can say. This is the first phase. Then the next is pattern discovery task, which uses the clustering classification techniques. Clustering of users helps to discover groups of users with similar navigation patterns, that is provide the personalized web content. Clustering of pages help to discover groups of pages having related content, that is the search engine. For example, clients who often access webminer software products tend to be from educational institutes. Clients who have placed an online order for software tend to be students in the 20 to 25 age group and live in the United States. 75% of clients who download software visit between 7 and 11 p.m. on weekend are engineering students. So this is the pattern discovery using clustering and classification we are doing. Then the next is pattern discovery task by sequential patterns, which includes extract frequently occurring intersection patterns such that the presence of set of items followed by another item in time order. Then the use to predict future user visit patterns, that is for placing ads or recommendation. This is the sequential patterns. Then the association rules, which includes discover correlations among pages access to access together by a client, and help the reconstruct of website and develop e-commerce marketing strategies, that is grocery mart. So this is the association rule in a pattern discovery. So as we can say that the clustering and classification, sequential patterns and association rules, these tasks are done in pattern discovery. So example is given here. Many times you have seen in the Flipkart, that is if we see any product, the suggestion is given below, that is a frequently bought together. Okay, this suggestion is given by the web usage mining. And the next technique, that is the customers who viewed this item also viewed this. So this is also the recommendation given by this web usage mining technique. So these are the examples, where this is the example of Flipkart and this is the example of Amazon in particular for the web discovery. Then the pattern analysis task. The pattern analysis is the final stage of WUM, that is web usage mining, which involves the validation and interpretation of mined pattern. Here two terms comes into the picture, that is validation and interpretation. What is validation? Validation is to eliminate the irrelative rules or patterns to extract the interesting rules or patterns from the output of pattern discovery process. And interpretation means what? It is the output of mining algorithms, is mainly in mathematic form and not suitable for direct human interpretations. So this is the interpretation. So these two are, that is validation and interpretation in pattern analysis is given with this example, where Amazon Prime is used for the example, Amazon Prime Video. Okay, where Prime is recommending this okay, based on the titles you have watched or more. So these are some of the real life examples of pattern usage mining, and in particular, okay, related to it. So this is very important video of pattern web usage mining, and keep learning, keep watching. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Like, comment and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind.